Nah, I don't mean to be bragging about a flag with a dragon, but as you can imagine, I can't ignore my passion. The red, white, and green, the theme you should pass down to the younger generation so they wear my last crown. Glorious, victorious, always been notorious for standing up to anybody, whatever the audience. No matter where I go, the ladder always got adversity. This is my home, to move away will be a curse to me.
I'm a fire-breathing dragon, flying, defying gravity. Black Prince, king of dragons, call me your majesty. Arrows can't damage me, I'm catching my talons and teeth. I'm throwing back precisely at twice the speed. Chasing warriors on top of galloping steeds. Drawing swords from sheaths, they can't absorb the heat. As the war drum beats, I climb Snowdon's peak. Melt the ice with the heat from the words I speak.
So big team head, roll up the team beat. Fierce out, rebel, I'm in the team beat. Man, I want me to step away, team come me. I sign on the move. Go on and the white, I'll be on and the type, check in. I've been right on the white. The meaning ain't 59. Step away, team come me. Continue for the
I got roots here, from Newport to the capital. Boy, you Hannibal, the cannibal, bars are flammable. Look back in our past to fight a powerful history. Blow up in your face like a mouthful of victory. I could defeat you riding a sheep in the battle. An army of cattle tackle your fragile castle. Since 95, from the valleys I reside. We're not meant to be enemies, we the embassy of pride.
This is the land where the poets rejoice, land of my choice. You can probably tell I'm Welsh by the sound of my voice. Repping Wales, driving a Rolls Royce, nah I'm kidding. I'm driving a Rover, middle class living, giving proof Welsh music's alive and kicking. Remember these lines written on this track when I'm spitting. Coming from the best nation in Great Britain, the place that I'm living, Wales, the country of wisdom.
So big team head,